The realm of project management is a journey filled with unpredictability. Each assignment harbors common challenges: scope creep, expanding our projects silently, budget overruns taxing our resources, and miscommunication obscuring our success path. These obstacles, if not managed, can divert even the most well planned projects. However, the true skill of an adept project manager lies not in sidestepping these issues, but in their early identification and strategic overcoming. Recognizing and understanding these challenges is fundamental, offering a strategic vantage point that facilitates preemptive actions. As we delve into this exploration, we'll learn how the intrinsic characteristics of a project serve as guiding stars, illuminating the route to surmount obstacles and leading the way to a project's victory. Let's commence this journey with eagerness to learn and the determination to turn challenges into stepping stones for success. At the core of every triumphant project is a foundation rooted in distinct characteristics. These elements are more than mere requirements. They're the essence that drives a project from concept to impactful reality. Identifying these project characteristics is crucial, acting as the DNA of effective project management. Success stems from a deep understanding, strategic foresight, and meticulous execution, keeping in mind the evolving nature of projects. Each phase, from initiation to closure, brings its own set of challenges and opportunities, necessitating skilled navigation by project managers. Engagement with stakeholders is paramount, as projects aim to satisfy diverse needs. This means not only informing stakeholders, but actively incorporating them into the decision-making process. Through feedback loops and understanding expectations, successful stakeholder engagement becomes a critical pillar. As we progress, we'll see how these characteristics are not theoretical, but practical tools for navigating project management challenges, bridging knowledge with real-world application. In the final act of our exploration, the practical application of project characteristics in real-world landscapes solidifies their role in transforming challenges into success milestones. Through compelling case studies, the power of these characteristics comes to life, demonstrating finesse in overcoming common pitfalls such as scope creep, budget overruns, and miscommunication. We witness teams transforming potential setbacks into accomplishments by embedding a thorough understanding of the project lifecycle and engaging stakeholders proactively. For instance, a project teetering due to scope creep was salvaged and excelled by applying disciplined stakeholder engagement and setting clear boundaries, showcasing the pivotal role of project characteristics. Another scenario reveals how strategic planning and effective communication, rooted in these fundamentals, converted a project at risk of budget overruns into a remarkable success. This segment reaffirms that mastering project characteristics is not just academic, but crucial for triumph in project management. It encourages us to apply these insights fervently in overcoming future challenges.